Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first, there was high drama at the HWT Transport Center for hours this morning after a man was seen on the roof of the center protesting about the treatment of firefighters.
As our reporter Jamaica Maitland now tells us, he's also a firefighter and no stranger to making bold one-man demonstrations.
A heroic welcome, or is it? Cheers of relief, laughter and adoration for Sergeant Leonard Bennett of the Jamaica Fire Brigade as he slid down a beam at the HWT Transport Center midday on Tuesday. Partially clad in his firefighting gear, a knapsack and the Jamaican flag on a makeshift pole, Sergeant Bennett perched on the ledge of the bus terminal for hours, changing directions on intervals and drawing the attention of hundreds of passers-by and motorists, with hundreds more on line. Above him, a helicopter hovered.
One thing come down, come know why up there. I don't know what could have caused him to up there, man. He's a human being. He's a son from man a bake. He needs to come down, man.
Below, emergency responders, including firefighters, tried to figure out how to get the man down. But it wasn't until President of the Psychiatric Association, Dr. Sophia Longmore, a pastor, and a member of the brigade were hoisted into the bucket truck to assist the man who they theorized needed drinking water, was seen finally coming down from the ledge. Dr. Longmore explained what happened on the roof.
When I saw him, because he started to wrap the straps around his feet, I was like, dear God, what is he going to do? And then it was a matter where he indicated that he was coming down. It was just relief. I was just like, thank God.
But what about the man's mental health?
He's well balanced, full function of his capacity. He consciously was aware of what he was doing. He was in full control of himself and his intentions. And he decided on his own, with our encouragement, to come down, and he executed that. As you can see, he had the option of coming down with a bucket with ourselves, but he came down, slid down, and went on to do push-ups because he wanted to show that he's physically well.
Sergeant Bennett says he's protesting about the welfare of firefighters, but this isn't the first time he's garnered the attention of the public. Last year, he was the lone demonstrator marching in front of the HWT fire station. He's been suspended since and is accusing the management of the JFB of punishing him. It's understood that a hearing is scheduled for Wednesday.
All right, what we're asking the management for is a work system in which we can get some time off, so we can get we call it work-life balance. Yes. You understand? That would translate into you, the public, getting a better service. Yeah. The general welfare for us, where the fireman them, look at those gears. Yeah. Each member is given one gear.
But there are those who agree with the sergeant's action. We observed some firefighters who are in support of the issues he raised. However, they're fearful of being ostracized. As for the passers-by,
looking at the distance where him climb up just for his voice to be heard, that means he must love him job or he really need him money.
But for some people, he might have taken his actions too far.
Using this support beam, it's how Sergeant Leah Bennett gained entrance to the roof of the HWT Transport Center in the wee hours of Tuesday morning. And after agonizing hours, it's how he came off this building. Now we know this because minutes after coming down, our cameras observed the firefighter going back up on the same roof. This time, he told us that he lost his car keys.
Jamaica Maitland for TVJ News.